What's up, guys? For a while now I've been wanting to get back into riding something two wheels, and pit bikes are something I used to be really big into. And you know, I sold all my nice pit bikes a good while back, but I had a ton of parts left over: frame, suspension, wheels, tires, this Lifan 125 engine. I had a header pipe. Amazon really pulled through on this guy. Pretty easy to fab up on there. I really think it turned out good. But the biggest problem I had after I got everything together and ordered all the little parts that I needed to finish it: handlebars, grips, cables. Got it running, and it ran like trash. Had this guy on, it's the only carb I had laying around, and I just couldn't get it. Just popping, sputtering, backfiring. No bueno. So, did some research and got a lot of mixed reviews on it. But ended up ordering this Nibbi. This is the 24mm, and it's a really well built carb for 60 bucks. The only problem is with this big Lifan motor and a stock CRF 50 frame is it's a tight fit, but it'll work if you're willing to do a little bit of modifications. So this right here I had to cut down. I still need to die grind it out a little bit to make the inside of it flow a little bit better. But 60 bucks for the carb, 16 bucks for the air filter. I bought this guy, and it was a bad idea because it's for a GY6 and it completely faces the wrong direction. But I still was able to use the little boot it came with. But if you're wanting to put a Nibbi on your stock CRF1 or CRF 50 frame, and I'm not sure what the stock CRF 50 motor looks like compared to this one in here. Probably got a little more room, but definitely gonna have to do some modifications to it. So this is what got cut off the end of here. Like I said, this is a little small, so I do have to get back in there and open it up a little bit. I was really amazed that after I finally did figure out how to get it to fit in there and everything hook up, it fired right up, no choke, right out of the box. Runs a hell of a lot smoother. Definitely still needs some tuning. I ended up putting the biggest jets that the carb came with, and I still not looking like enough. Still has a little dead spot off the pilot jet that I can't get rid of. Adjusted the needle air screw. It just will not go away. So I'm gonna have to order the jet kit. I'll leave a link for that. But if you have a stock CRF 50 frame and build, I probably would not recommend the Nibbi unless you're willing to do the modifications to your intake manifold and, you know, do what you got to do to make it work. Well, it's just not difficult. If you got, I mean, if you could do it with a hacksaw. Sawzall. But so I'm gonna try and get some videos, some riding videos here in the near future of riding this little guy with the carb and the Lifan motor. I think I got a total of about $400 in putting this thing together. And never, ever, ever buy one of these no-name $20 carbs. You will be disappointed and you will not have a good time. But I get a little bit more in on the Nibbi after I get my jet kit in. Get it tuned up, get rid of that dead spot. Till then, let's let her rip.